foodies, welcome to Art of Cooking. We all love Maggie, isn't it? Today, let's spend 10 more minutes to make this amazing crispy Maggie pizza at home. So here I am taking some ingredients like Maggie, which is easily available in the market, butter, cheese, I am using mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, chili flakes, corn flour, chopped coriander, and some of my favorite vegetables like onions, capsicum, sweet corn, tomato. The recipe is very simple and easy, guys. First we are going to make the Maggie. Here what I am doing is heating up a kadai and I am taking 2 packets of Maggie. Just break them apart and we will take 1.5 cup of water. Usually take about 2 cups of water for 2 packets of Maggie. But for this recipe, we are taking 1.5 cup of water. And rest of the process is very simple, guys. We just have to cook it until it is above 80% done. Here I am adding Maggi masala into it. I like to add some chopped coriander in this right now because it gives fresh flavor to the pizza. To make it crispy, you can add like 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix it really well. Just ensure there are no lumps, guys. After which we are making the Maggie pizza, the Maggie is done. Let's heat up a pan. You can also use tawa in this step right now. As it gets hot, we will take 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Here I am taking butter and we will spread it really well. Now let's add the Maggie into it. After adding the Maggie, we will also spread Maggie. As I am spreading into round shape, you can see how the Maggie is really nice binding. We will cook it from both the sides, guys. After about 2 minutes, you can check it like this. The Maggie is not stuck to the pan. It is leaving the sides. So it is almost done. Let us flip it. So the pizza is cooked from bottom. Now we will take the pizza sauce. Here I am taking homemade pizza sauce. It will also available in the market. Otherwise, if you guys want me to show how to make pizza sauce, definitely I will make a video on it. After spreading pizza sauce, here I am using some toppings like onions, capsicum, tomato, and some corn. And now I am taking some mozzarella cheese and spread it evenly. And again I am using some toppings. Here the toppings are ready. Now let me cover this with the lid. We will cook it for 4 to 5 minutes in medium flame. That looks sensational. Our pizza is almost done right now. You can see most of the cheese has melted. Just like 1 minute and this will be done. Guys, our Maggie pizza is done. It looks amazing, isn't it? Here I don't use chili flakes, but if you guys want more spicy, you can sprinkle it on the top before eating. Here the flavor is outstanding. Even people who don't love Maggie enjoy this because sides and the bottom are very crispy and crunchy and the top is superb cheesy like real pizza. So Try it out and share with me how it goes for you guys.